Good morning, folks. Bob Rogers with Hawaiian Trike. Hey, I'm back in the saddle after 4 months of not riding. I'm back on it. I'm so happy. I probably should wait another week. I gotta talk to the doc on Monday, but I think I'm getting better. I still can only close my fist this much, but it's getting close. My scar is almost healed, and I'm on the road. What a great feeling.
How can this be true? Yeah, deep down, darling, how can this be true?
Well, I'm just going for a simple ride today. This is my third day out, and I took it easy the first 2 days. Because I still have issues here, I have to go very slow when I film, because obviously I'm filming with or driving with no hands. It's hard for me to hold the boom with this left hand. But once I hit the doctor on Monday, I get to find out whether I can go swimming, and that would be great. I need to build up. So I'm here along on the outskirts of Laie, heading out towards the north shore of Oahu. And I thought I'd share with you some of the issues of not riding a trike. You know, everybody comes out with their top 5 things why we ride a trike. Well, first thing, I don't miss the dogs, okay? Let's hope that they don't bark at me. They're good dogs. All right, so some of my things about not riding a trike. The first is I'm not having any fun when I'm not riding a trike. It's pretty obvious, right? The other thing is I'm out of shape. I'm really out of shape. I noticed my muscles. I was walking every single day. I walked every day for the last 3 months. And I'm talking 2 to 6 miles. But you know what? It's nothing like riding on a trike and getting my exercise that way. I felt it the very first day. I could feel my muscles aching when I got home. So that's the other issue, that's the other thing about not riding a trike. The other thing is I was gaining weight. I thought by walking every day I'd be great, but no, I gained 5 pounds, and I worked hard to get down to my BMI weight. So that was very frustrating, gaining weight. And now I'm back losing a pound a week or something like that. I should be good in a little bit. The other thing about just walking every day, I had about 4 or 5 different routes that I would take. Very, very good. Excellent. Excellent. I could do that too if I was younger. Anyway, where was I? Oh, the other thing is, yeah, I've got all these walking trails, but after 3 months, I was getting really bored. I really wanted something else. I wanted to go see something different. You know, when I'm on a trike, I can see the whole world, just about. So that's the other issue about not riding a trike. It is what it is, I guess. Oh, I have one more thing about not riding a trike. I forgot how some of these things work. I had to relearn how to work my computer on my trike. You know, like I said, it's been since the end of October was the last time I got on here or even touched my trike. So I had a few things I had to relearn. No, okay, it only took me 2 minutes, but I got it. and I'm back on the route again. Yes, I need to build my stamina, and but I'm anxious to slowly get there. Well, those are the things I can think of right now. Maybe by the time I get out to the North Shore, I'll have a few more things to offer you guys. What are the things I don't like about not riding a trike? There you go. All right, catch you guys soon. We finally got off the Cam Highway and we're here at Turtle Bay. And that's, I guess, another issue I have about not riding a trike. I miss some of my favorite spots. I come out to this place once a week. I don't film it all. I just come out and ride, relax. You know, sometimes that's how it is. You know, that's the other thing. When I walk, I meet people and I talk and I have good conversations with people. But it's a little different with a trike. They look at this contraption and they go, "What are you riding? What's this? Does this have a motor on it? I don't hear an engine. What's going on?" So I'm glad to help and talk to them and tell them what's all about. Well, when I'm not riding a trike, I don't have that conversation anymore. So I'm glad to be back on the road. Yeah, I know there's a lot of you that have to take the winter off from triking. A little crazy out there, too much snow, too much rain. I understand that. Well, now I've got a little example of what you guys go through. I am very fortunate. Very fortunate. I don't take it for granted. Someone asked me that recently, and I said, I don't take any of this for granted. I know we have short lives, relatively. This here is Turtle Bay. I know, I've been here before, but this is the real celebration of me coming back out on the road, is coming back to this place. I've been going around Oahu and showing you different sites of the island, but every week I come over here and ride through here just to ride. No filming, no talking, just enjoying my favorite place as a kid growing up and surfing, and I enjoy it now as well. Well, my thought was to bring you guys out here again, especially you guys that are up north and dealing with that huge storm going across. I have a daughter in Tennessee and she lost her power, and it's 33 degrees. Just built a house, didn't have a furnace, didn't have her chimney in yet. So I can relate. But I thought I'd share with you these beautiful sunny views of the Pacific Ocean, and hopefully that brightens up your day a little bit. Glad to share it with you guys. Before I could get back on the trike, I had a couple maintenance things to do. I hadn't touched the trike since October, so I'm sure this is what you guys do every winter when there's a lot of snow on the ground and you can't ride. Well, first thing I did is I cleaned it. I had it stays in my shop, so it's getting dusty in there, so I cleaned it all off, get all the dirt and mud off of it, checked all my batteries. Everything was working okay, and they were all charged, ready to go. I filled all the tires up with air, got it all the way up to 60, which is kind of my riding area. By the way, take a look at this. Oh, I don't know if you can see it. Oh well. And then I did something I haven't done. You know, I got the Trike almost a year and a month or so ago, and I put 2,700 miles in 11 months. So I had to change my roll-off oil. So I bought the kit, watched all the videos on how to do it, so I'm not going to show you that. There's plenty out there. And got that done, and I feel pretty good now. I'm ready to roll again. Well, I hope those coconuts don't fall on me. Here we are at Kawela Bay on a Saturday, so we've got a crowd. We've got all the surf lessons going on, and it's a nice day. We got a little mud in the water. I guess we had a big rain last night, and there's a stream further down there that came out. Anyway, this is probably my favorite spot to be on the island. Back when I was a kid, as I had mentioned before. It's kind of a hangout, so I thought on my big ride today, after 4 months of not riding, this is where I wanted to get to. I hope you enjoyed the ride today and the little talk about issues of not being able to ride a trike. And so thanks for all your comments and well wishes during my surgery fest, if you want to call it. But I think I'm getting close. Getting close. I won't be able to film for a while, so maybe in a month or two, and I get back on to finishing my ride around Oahu when we do a tour. So you guys have a great week. Hope to catch up with you soon. I'm not sure when the next video will be. So you guys be well. Have a great one. Aloha.
I got the right to my rights, don't take them away.